Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm Warren Patton, president of Byerly RV, and I am here with Kris Kringle with North Pole Manufacturing, and we are here with the original toy hauler, one of the first toy haulers ever built. Kris, is this coming from Indiana like a lot of stuff we have?
It's a little bit north of Indiana.
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Probably a nice kind of good workforce up there, ability to build something like this. What is this diesel or gas?
This is reindeer power.
Reindeer power. That's pretty significant. More than like 300 horsepower. This is
more than horsepower. It's reindeer power.
That's amazing. Probably a little bit better than some of the Freightliners that we've seen out there. More than 600 horse. This I notice we don't have dual axles on this. In fact, we have no axles.
No axles. This
is kind of amazing.
It's all weather.
That's something we don't talk about in the RV industry. A lot of times they say all weather. We got no all weather. This is going all season.
This is all weather.
That's amazing. And what's cool here is that we're sitting. This is the original toy hauler. We're right next to an original Byerly. The 1948 Byerly is right here. We paired them right together. It's kind of cool to have these original ones all together here. You think you could get a hitch on this?
I don't need a hitch.
Yeah.
With the reindeer pulling this, I have leather straps.
Oh, there you go. All right, good.
And
well, see, I was wondering if you could if we could hook the Byerly on after that, you could take it a little bit if you need some extra space, some extra cargo. There was maybe a lot of good kids this year, so you need an extra space in there.
Always use a lot of extra space. That's why I'm actually thinking about upgrading.
That's good. We have some options for you, potentially, if you're interested,
I am.
All right. Maybe we'll take the selection. Go take a look. That's why you're here, too. In addition to just helping everybody taking pictures with the customers coming through tonight, we're going to the Christmas lights. We're going to take you out on the lot, show you a couple RVs.
That sounds great.
Yeah, you need any repairs done while you're here?
Sure.
Okay, all right. I'll make sure I check in the trade-in value, too. What do you think the JD Power is on this? Have you done any upgrades, any options?
The only thing I have is the CD right here, the cookie dispenser.
That's great. That's a good feature. That might have really. Well, that's awesome. Well, Kris, I appreciate your time. It's great to see you. Thanks for joining us. Again, Kris Kringle, North Pole Manufacturing, Warren Patton, president of Byerly RV. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and then visit us online at byerlyrv.com. Stop by our place in Eureka, Missouri, and we'll see you next time.
I really appreciate having me. Have a candy cane.
Thanks, Kris.